Hey everyone, lately I've seen a lot of comments about Firestick remotes not working or dead. Don't worry, 99% of the time you can fix it yourself. It'll be quick, I promise. Let's get started. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to fully reset your remote. Sometimes in the past I only showed you how to resync it, but this time we're doing a full reset, like brand new. You'll notice your remote will work better, faster, smoother, even the voice commands. It's a silly little thing, but it really helps. And don't worry, it's just 7 easy steps. I'll also put the steps on the screen so you can follow along. Let's get into it. Okay, let's fix your remote. Step 1. Unplug your Fire TV stick from power. You can unplug it from the wall or directly from the stick, whichever is easier. Now, wait 60 seconds. Yep, a full 60 seconds. It's important. Alright folks, let's start the countdown timer. 60 seconds on the clock. Now step 2. Grab your remote. Hold down these 3 buttons at the same time for 12 seconds. The left button on the circle pad, the menu button which has 3 lines, and the back button which is the arrow pointing left. Hold for 12 seconds. Not 5, not 30, just 12. If your remote light blinks, that's fine. If it doesn't, also fine. Step 3. After letting go of the buttons, wait 5 more seconds. Just relax. Almost there! Step 4. Take the back off your remote. Remove the batteries. Leave them out for now. If your batteries are good, you can use them again later. Step 5. Now plug your Fire TV stick back into power. Give it another 60 seconds to start up fully. Again, be patient. It's worth it. Now let's wait for 60 seconds while your Fire TV stick powers back up. Step 6. Put the batteries back into your remote. Step 7. Press the home button on your remote. You should see your Firestick screen come up. Move around. It should feel faster, smoother, and the voice control should work too. And that's it. You've reset your Firestick remote. It's different from just syncing. This full reset fixes a lot of problems. If this helped you, make sure to leave a comment, hit that thumbs up,